everyone, welcome to Filmy Beat. मैं हूँ हेशा चीमा and I'm super excited for this exit interview of the Alliance because I've got none other than Minnie Mathur who's come out as the winner of the show. Oh my God, Minnie, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Hesha, for having me.
And congratulations, first of all. Oh my God, I think यहाँ पे बैठी हर एक journalist जो female रही है and even otherwise, we're super happy that you won the show. While we're excited, हमने अभी तक finale देखा नहीं है, but I'm sure for you that moment must have been surreal. क्या expect किया था आपने उस time पे?
It was surreal, Hesha, to be very honest, because the finale challenge was all physical. It was a 5-stage finale, 5 games put together for you to be able to claim this wonderful
winner title in the trophy.
And I was very sure that I wanted to defeat the others on a physical challenge because mentally to sabne dekh liya tha that okay, she knows her math, she knows her spelling, all that is fine. But to be able to do the challenge before others and claim the trophy was very, very important to me. And I think I played with focus and clarity, and I summoned all the, you know, the sharps that I had. And I'm so glad it went so well that it's still surreal. I still don't think I've won it. And that moment was also, I wasn't able to emote because I was like, really? They let me win? Wow, this is great. I never thought I was a reality show winner type. So I was as surprised as everybody else. I was like, that means this is literally fair and square. Wow.
You know, you exactly said it so well that you are not a reality show type. I feel one of the most dignified women in the show was Minnie Mathur, and I can safely and proudly say that. You know, वो होता है ना एक sort of breaking the normal norm और फिर भी हम एक reality show जीत सकते हैं वो आपने किया, right? Was that like thought through कि how did it happen for you?
I have actually said no to quite a few reality shows because I just, like you, felt that ये stereotype में तो मैं fit ही नहीं होती. The reason I chose Alliance is because they told me that it's, you know, I was told that there are a lot of physical games and you know, I'm a big fan of Beast Games and, you know, Telematch and, you know, Fear Factor and all of that. So, and I have been working on my fitness, you know, as a 50+ woman for a long time, and I felt, yeah, this I could do because I would love to play the challenges. I didn't think the reality part of it through, but I was told that the cast is different this time. It's not so many people who've done reality shows. So a lot of my friends just said, and I said, okay, let me just, it was at a moment in my life where things were, you know, same but different. So I had to move something to feel different, and they were stagnating a little bit, and I was like, okay, so yes, I'm starting with a women's, you know, health business soon, but I wanted to do something to challenge myself. So I just blindly said yes.
Love it.
And from the first day I went in, I was like, hey, I could do this, you know. And never for a moment in 42 days did I feel bahar niklo, bhago yahan se. Because every week I would get in stronger and stronger, and my focus was only the games.
And there it is. We've got the trophy here with you. You know, Seema और Daisy से भी मैंने बात की थी recently, and both of them said कि ना हम तीनों बात कर रहे थे और हम चाहते थे कि एक women जीते क्योंकि हमें male testosterone को challenge करना है यहाँ पे. वो I think challenge हो चुका है. But speaking of male testosterone or just the men of the house, you know, I feel your bond with Nikhil was so well appreciated, and yet at the same time it had its pros and cons both, right? आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ अब जब बाहर निकल के थोड़ा बहुत जो आपने देखा है समझा है, आप अब उस जर्नी को कैसे देखते हैं?
Wow. So yes, towards the end, Seema, Daisy and I used to discuss कि boss ये bro club को तोड़ना है. We have to have a woman. So we had this strategy, and that was the week Seema went out and then Daisy went out, and I was just feeling like, oh my God, am I carrying this mantle all by myself? With, of course, there was Neeti and Ruhi as well, but and all very deserving. But to come to your question, your question was about male testosterone, right?
No, it was mainly about how, first of all, you saw your bond and your journey with Nikhil also.
Sorry, flaked out for a minute.
No problem.
So with Nikhil, the thing is that we've been friends for 25 years, but we had kind of lost touch in the middle. You know, life happened, careers, babies, all of that, and this seemed like a very nice time to, you know, come together and renew our friendship. And it surprised me how much old friendships, you know, have legs that I wanted to have. We always had each other's back. We actually surprisingly did not interact so much during the day, but we would have our last chai cups in the night in our night suits and discuss what happened in the house. And sometimes he would solve, you know, problems for me, and sometimes I would give him perspective on something, and it just felt nice to have somebody there. And contrary to people who think, oh, I was operating, in his chhatra chhaya, so to speak. It was, yes, I've been accused of that. Oh,
But बाहर से ऐसा नहीं दिख रहा था. I think वो घर वाले लोग का narrative ज़्यादा था.
I don't know whether घर वालों का था to put me down, because there was no other way to put me down. I felt a little taken aback, because I was like, out of 24 hours you see 50 minutes, and in the other 23 hours you don't see the inputs that he may have gotten from me. So whatever, that selective memory for people. But I think having him there was a very big plus for me. But when he left, I kind of kicked into another gear, because I was like, I don't have to watch anyone's back now, so I'm going to watch my own.
Love it. Was there a trait जो मिनी ने discover किया अपने खुद के बारे में show में during this game show?
That I abuse under pressure. That I get very angry with men who abuse, and yet I throw a couple myself. I am very competitive, so my friends are testimony to game nights and board games that they just run away whenever I get angry. So yes, I discovered that I'm very competitive, but I also discovered that I enjoy people. I thought the last 2-3 years I had kind of said that no, new friends are not possible. I don't enjoy people. But essentially my career has been built on interacting with people, and I was joyous about discovering that I actually am a people's person. So whether it was a 23-year-old gamer or a 25-year-old live streamer, I wanted to understand their worlds and where they came from. Because I'm of a generation where millions of followers don't really make a difference, because my work is in the real world on the ground, and they have made careers out of an app. So I'm like, ye kaise hota hai bhai? Okay, tell me. So now I have promises from all of them, and they have promises from me that I will be live streaming and gaming and doing all kinds of cool shit and being part of lots of roasty rap shows. So it's given me a new lease on life, and I'm very excited about it.
If I were to ask you, next steps क्या है? कोई और planning किया? और अब अगर आके आपको कोई बोले कि मिनी ये reality show भी कर ही लो, तो क्या आप सोचेंगे उसके बारे में?
I think it's too early to talk about going into captivity again, because I think एक कर लिया, जीत लिया, खुश रहो. But you never say never, and I don't know where this will take me. But I just do hope that people start thinking out of the box where women like me are concerned. We've been relegated to stereotypical roles, and इनको acting देना है as a pleasant, resigned woman who's looking after. I want more protagonist stuff happening around women who are of a certain, who are over 45 and over 50. Like, why should we be side characters?
True.
Here, I'm main character energy, guys. It's main character energy, though.
And there's never a limit. I mean, if you look as stunning and if you're as fit and fab as you, Mini, oh my God.
Maybe at 60, I'll decide to win another one.
Oh my goodness, love it. And I would love to come back and sit here and chat with you as well.
And please look as hot as you do today.
Hey, how sweet. Thank you so much, Mini. You're an epitome of women power, and we're so happy that you won the show. And to more alliances.
To more alliances. Cheers to that.
Cheers.